Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya from Millennial Mommyhood and welcome to the next episode of Homeschooling Workshop for Parents. A very common question that I get most of the time on my Instagram page as a DM is that, can you tell me which course can I do in order to make sure that I can teach my child in a better way at home? And today in this video, I'm going to tell you and give you all the list of the courses that you can do as a parent to make sure that you homeschool your child really well, to make sure that this early learning phase is done in the most professional way, and to make sure that the child learns the max out of whatever you are teaching. So keep watching. So, what are the list of courses that you have to do as a parent in order to make sure that you are teaching your child effectively, in order to make sure that you are homeschooling your child effectively, or in order to make sure that you are following all the principles of Montessori or any other kind of methodology perfectly at home? Well, the only course that you need for it is nothing. See, I'm actually not against any kind of courses. I'm actually not against anything. But if you see these courses and these certifications, they cost a lot. Okay, each course and certifications cost nowhere lesser than 30k. Okay, and I feel spending that much of amount just because you want to teach your child is not worth it. If you are planning to go and work maybe in future, if you are planning to go and teach in a school, or maybe work as an early educator, or maybe work for any other place where you need qualifications, then definitely there are a lot of courses which you should go and do, but definitely not that normal small courses that you get online, but the proper authentic courses that you do, that are available. And mostly when it comes to teaching, I will always suggest you to go and do courses offline where you get hands-on experience. Okay, but when I'm talking about the number of courses and the things that parents ask, that whether I should do this, whether I should do this course in order to teach my child, I will say that it is actually not needed. The only thing that you need to learn is how to decode what your child needs, what are the skills that your child needs, what are the things that can be done under those particular skills, and then just follow with the resources and materials that you are having with you. So for this, you particularly do not have to go and join a course. There are n number of workshops, there are n number of free learning resources that are available online. A lot of things I'm going to link in my description box also, so you can go through that, and I think that is more than enough. The most important thing, as I told you, is to make sure that you are very well planned and very well organized in order to conduct this whole thing, because now the whole responsibility of child is on your head and not the school's head anymore. So that is the only thing. Otherwise, when you're talking in terms of any course that have to be done, it is not needed. There are also a lot of books which you can follow, a lot of books which you can read, which will help you to understand and apply all these concepts of early learning in your child. These books are something which will replace any kind of course that you are doing, except for the fact that you won't get certificate. But if it is for teaching your child, you naturally do not need certificate, right? But if you want to learn something very simple about each and every concept, a very simple workshop, a very simple a course, a certification course, or anything like that, you have different kinds of link. I'm going to put that also in the description box, so it is going to help you out. You can attend courses starting from 450 rupees per course, and you can learn more and more. But still, I'm telling you that these things are actually not needed. The normal general workshops or books or resources that are available in internet and even on YouTube and Instagram, so many blogs are there. These are more than enough to teach you how early learning could be done effectively at home. So I hope this video was very clear. This was just to tell you guys that you don't have to worry about getting certified over anything. Rather than that, worry about how to plan and organize and make sure that you take out everything very smoothly and communicate with your child effectively and carry out this whole concept of homeschooling easily at your home as well. I'll catch you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe it right away. And if you are not following me on Instagram, go and do it right away, because I share a lot of free content and useful stuffs on Instagram as well. Bye-bye.